Welcome to this simple tutorial on adding a marker to maps in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly log into your account, access the site editor, and add a location marker to your map using a few straightforward steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login option will take you to the authentication page. For a swift and secure login process, select the option labeled Continue with Google and then choose the Google account you normally use for your WordPress site. This method allows you to connect with your account seamlessly and saves time compared to entering your credentials manually. After you are successfully logged in, locate the quick link section on your dashboard. In this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this option to open the site editor, which provides access to a variety of customization tools for your website. The editor allows you to modify different elements, including text, images, layouts, and interactive blocks like maps. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner where a plus icon is visible. Click on this icon to open the widget or block selection panel. This panel displays a wide range of elements that can be added to your pages, including maps. To find the maps feature, type the word maps in the search bar. As you type, the editor will filter through the available options and display the relevant map block. When the map option appears, click on it to add it to your page. Once the map is inserted, it is time to add a marker. Look toward the navigation bar of the map block, where you will find an option labeled Add Marker. Clicking this option enables you to place a new marker at the desired location on your map. After clicking Add Marker, a field will appear where you can type the specific location you want to mark. Enter the location details carefully to ensure accuracy. Then, take a moment to review your entry. Once you are confident the correct location has been entered, click on it to confirm your selection. This final action sets the marker in place, completing your map customization. Throughout this process, it is important to perform each step carefully to ensure the marker is placed accurately and your website displays it correctly. By following these instructions, you have successfully learned how to add a marker to maps in WordPress. Happy WordPress using!